Okay, look, we need to talk. I need you to stop working so hard. No, I'm serious. It's getting embarrassing. While you are grinding out another 60-hour week, chugging that third coffee just to stay awake, do you know what Warren Buffett was doing? He took a 3-hour nap, played some cards, ate a cheeseburger, and made more money than you'll see in 10 lifetimes. It feels unfair, right? Annoying, even? But we're about to figure out exactly why that is.
Just look at this. On the left, that's you. You're a hero of the hustle, a gladiator of the grind, fueled by deadlines and cheap office coffee. And on the right, well, that's Warren Buffett. He looks like your grandpa who just figured out how to use a smartphone. And yet, he is absolutely crushing the game. How is this even possible? Is the whole system rigged? Well, kinda. But it's not rigged against hard work. It's rigged against dumb work. And most of us, well, we're playing the wrong game entirely.
And there it is. Let that sink in for a second. This is the whole secret. The one thing we've all been told is the key to success. The sweat, the long hours, the sacrifice is actually a prison cell. And today, we are going to pick the lock.
To really get this, we need a picture in our heads. So forget about spreadsheets and complicated financial terms for a minute. All you need to remember are two things: a hand crank and a solar panel. This right here, this is the difference between being tired and being rich.
Okay, so imagine you're in a dark room. Your only job is to keep a light on. Most people, and probably you grab this thing, a heavy, rusty, old hand crank. You start spinning it, you're sweating, and puff, a pathetic little light bulb flickers on. As long as you are cranking, you get light, you get paid. But the second you stop, because you're sick or you want to go on vacation, or you just physically can't do it anymore, the room goes pitch black. That, my friend, is your job. That's active income. And that's the trap.
Now, let's look at Buffett in that same dark room. He's not touching the crank, he's relaxing, sipping a soda, and his room is blindingly bright. Why? Because years ago, instead of grabbing that rusty crank, he built a solar panel. It just sits there. It does absolutely nothing. It is being strategically lazy. But as long as the sun is out, that panel is generating power, 24/7, whether he's awake, asleep, or playing cards. See, it's not about working harder, it's about owning the power source.
It sounds almost insultingly obvious, right? Build the panel, don't spin the crank. Duh. So why is almost every single person on Earth still spinning that rusty crank until their arms feel like they're going to fall off? If it's this simple, why isn't everybody rich?
Because building that solar panel, being strategically lazy, is one of the hardest things you will ever do. It goes against every single instinct in your body. See, the crank gives you instant feedback. You spin, you get a little light. You spin, you get paid. It feels safe. The solar panel, though, in the beginning, it's terrifying.
Let's say you finally scrape together some money and you build your first tiny little solar panel. You invest it, and at the end of the day, it generates 27 cents. 27 cents! That's not a light bulb, that's like a dying firefly. Your brain just screams at you, you are a fool. Your buddy who worked overtime just made an extra $500. It feels so stupid to wait. And this is the exact moment most people give up and go right back to cranking for the rest of their lives.
You know, think of it like planting a Chinese bamboo tree. For the first year, you water the ground. Nothing happens. Second year, you're still watering dirt. Your neighbors think you're nuts. By year 4, you feel like a complete idiot and you want to quit. This is you with your 27 cents. But what you can't see is this massive, complex root system growing underground. And then in year 5, the bamboo explodes. It shoots up 80 feet in just 6 weeks. That is the massive payoff for suffering through the boring phase. That is compound.
And this is exactly what Buffett meant. The stock market is basically just a giant machine designed to take money from people who need that instant gratification, the crank spinners, and hand it over to the people who can water the dirt and just wait. The impatient literally donate their wealth to the patient. It really is that simple.
Okay, so you get it. You need patience. But there's another enemy out there, a thief that's stealing your future freedom every single day. And you probably don't even realize it. And the craziest part? You're the one letting it into your house. Let's talk about that.
I need you to stop thinking of dollars as just pieces of paper. From this moment on, every single dollar you have is a tiny green soldier. Its only mission in life is to go out into the world and capture more soldiers to bring back to your army. They work for you 24/7. They never sleep. They never complain. So when you spend $1, you're not just spending it. You are executing that soldier and its entire future family tree. You're killing your own army.
Sound a little extreme? Look at this. That tasty $15 sandwich you grabbed for lunch? That wasn't $15. You just wiped out a whole platoon of your green soldiers that over 40 years could have grown into a massive army. The real cost isn't the $15, it's the hundreds of thousands of dollars that money could have become. You are literally eating your retirement.
So this brings us to the great deception. We have to understand the difference between looking rich and being rich. Looking rich means you've got the $1,000 phone, the new car, the designer clothes, but you have zero soldiers working for you. You are a slave to the crank. Being rich is the total opposite. It's driving a 10-year-old car and living in a normal house, but secretly commanding this massive, invisible army of green soldiers that are out there fighting for your freedom every single second. Cool is expensive. Uncool is freedom.
All right, so you're ready. You're going to stop eating your soldiers, you're going to be patient, but what solar panel do you actually build? Where do you put the money so it can go to work? This is where most people get overwhelmed and confused. But Buffett gave us a weapon for this, the ultimate lazy person's tool for building wealth.
It's called an index fund. I know, it sounds incredibly boring, but just listen. Imagine trying to find a single needle in a giant haystack. A hard worker would spend all day, every day, searching for that one needle and probably fail. The lazy genius walks up and says, I'll just buy the whole haystack. That's an S&P 500 index fund. You're buying a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in America. And the best part? It's self-cleaning. If one company starts to fail, it gets kicked out automatically and a new winner takes its place. You literally do nothing.
Now, if you're thinking there's no way this lazy approach can actually beat the super smart, high IQ geniuses on Wall Street, well, I want to tell you a quick story. It's the story of Buffett's famous $1 million bet. He got sick of hearing how smart all these hedge fund managers were, so he challenged them to a 10-year duel.
And this slide, this is the knockout punch. The super smart 100-hour-a-week hedge fund guys, they made a 36% return over 10 years. Buffett's lazy do-nothing index fund, it returned 126%. He didn't just win, he absolutely demolished them. Why? Because the hard workers were constantly buying and selling, paying huge fees, and making emotional mistakes. Buffett just sat back and let the haystack grow.
And here's the secret they really don't want you to know. The entire financial industry makes money when you think investing is complicated. Because if it's complicated, you need them. You need to pay their fees. If everyone knew they could just buy the whole haystack and go take a nap, the entire industry would pretty much collapse overnight.
So, here it is. This is your cheat sheet to freedom. Number 1, stop being a crank spinner. Your life is worth more than an hourly wage. 2, focus all your extra energy on building solar panels, assets that work for you. 3, you have to suffer through the boring phase. Water the dirt and be patient. 4, stop eating your army of green soldiers. Every dollar is a seed for a tree of freedom. And 5, just buy the whole haystack. Buy a low-cost S&P 500 index fund, and then, this is the most important part, do nothing.
So that's it. You have the map. You know the secret that separates the tired from the free. It was never about being smarter or working harder. It's about strategic inaction. It's about being lazy on purpose. The only question left is the one right there on the screen. Can you be boring enough to get rich? Can you fight that urge to constantly do something and just let the system do the work for you? That is the real challenge. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think it's time for a nap.